The Bostitch BTFP02012 6-gallon 150 PSI oil-free compressor is portable and lightweight. It features an oil-free, maintenance-free pump that delivers 2.6 SCFM at 90 PSI and maximum tank storage of 150 PSI for long tool runtime with quick recovery. The 78.5 dBA rating is ideal for a quiet work environment. It has a Bostitch high-efficiency motor for easy startup in cold weather or extension cord application, 14 GA or larger, 50 feet. 15.2 meters, or less. Bostitch high-flow regulator and couplers to maximize air tool performance. It has 2 universal couplers to easily support 2 users. At only 29 pounds weight, this unit is easy to carry and store. Specs. Max tank storage PSI equals 150, electric power supply, oil-free pump, SCFM at 90 PSI equals 2.6, tank size equals 6 gallon. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Note: the item does not include a hose or gun kit. Number 2. 150 max PSI 6.0 gallon tank, 22.7 liter, and 2.6 SCFM delivered at 90 PSI pump. Number 3. High efficiency motor for easy startup in cold weather. Bostitch high efficiency motor for easy startup in cold weather or extension cord application, 14 GA or larger, 50 feet. 15.2 meters, or less. Number 4. 78.5 dBA operational noise level for a quiet work environment. Number 5. High flow regulator and couplers to maximize air tool performance. Number 6. Long life oil-free, maintenance-free pump for convenient use. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Does this compressor have to stay plugged in for use? Answer. The compressor will hold and supply any built-up pressure while not plugged in. But it will not resupply the pressure unless plugged in. Question number 2. Can you control the air pressure? Answer. Yes, this feature a regulator to set the required PSI. Question number 3. Does this come with the hose and accessories kit? Answer. No, it does not come with the hose or accessory kit. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.